Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines. The Costway Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in an apartment, traveling, or just need a compact laundry solution, this video will help you decide which washing machine is the right fit for you. The Costway Portable Washing Machine features a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of only 10 Ls, which is suitable for smaller items or quick washes. If you frequently wash larger loads, the Costway is the better choice. The Costway machine, while compact, is bulkier due to its twin tub design, making it less portable than the portable washing machine. The latter is designed to be foldable and lightweight, making it perfect for travel or small living spaces. If portability is a priority for you, the portable washing machine is the clear winner. The Costway Portable Washing Machine offers a powerful spin cycle, which is essential for getting clothes nearly dry after washing. On the other hand, the portable washing machine features 3 different washing modes, making it versatile for delicate items. Depending on your laundry needs, you might prefer the powerful spin of the Costway or the gentle cycles of the portable washing machine. In conclusion, both the Costway Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a larger capacity and powerful spin, the Costway is the way to go. However, if you're looking for portability and versatility, the Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.